Wait a minute, what did you say? You got tires? These are fine. Look at it.
And you know what? I figured I'd do a modification for dualies.
Look what's stuck to the tape.
Oh, we gotta put it on the car.
I'm gonna put it right here. I don't want to insult Summit by putting this on, you know, like because it's a Volvo.
I'm gonna put Wild Rides right here.
Yeah, okay. Wild Rides.
And then I'm gonna say,
Wild
brought
Rides.
to you by Summit.
All right, do whatever you want.
So
Let's go. All right. Here we are. They're not directional ties.
No.
So we don't have to worry about it. Put a little spray. There you go.
yeah. All right. The balance. See these? Can't take it anymore.
Good. Done.